Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I did this simple eye look with a pop of color, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. And the first thing we're going to start with is eyeliner, and the eyeliner I like is the e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black, and I already primed and I set my eyes. And then I'll add 2 coats of my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Great Lash Blackest Black. And then to add a pop of color to our look, I'll be using this color right here. And that will go on our bottom lashes. And that is from the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. And then we'll add 2 coats of the same mascara to our bottom lashes. To bronze our face, I'll be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. And then the next thing we'll be adding is blush, and then I will be using a matte MAC blush in the color Mocha. And then for highlight, I'll be using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in the color Moonstone. And then I'm going to add some of the highlight to our tear duct. And for lips today, I'll be using a Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Natural Lipstick, and it's in the shade N9. And to finish our makeup, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And here is the finished look. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.